How to disable automatic updates in Opera? Some features in Opera 25 are changes, with old documentations. I want to disable Opera Auto Update. For this I read this Opera webpage, however there is no more preferences in Opera menu. So how to change this option? Update. Thank you all, and here is why. Sometimes we are forced to do that. You will realize that with too many applications ask for updates over a slow connection or limited access traffic, the updates will be awful, horrible, consume the bandwidth, and prevent me doing my job, so I need some control, when to allow the updates to start and when to stop it. All other applications, Firefox, Eclipse, even antiviruses and Windows 7, etc., give us an API to control updates. Some of these applications informed with the risk and we decide when to update it. It is okay to update as default behavior, but do not take the decision on behalf of me. Let me change this. I know what I'm doing, and I am responsible for that.
The help page you linked is for old Opera 12.16, Presto Engine. They are outdated for Opera 15+. Currently there is no built-in preference to disable auto update in Opera 15+. Some command line switch from may work in Opera 2 since they both use on the same engine. After a short test I would say this one doesn't work. But you can delete or rename opera_autoupdate.x, which is used to check for newer versions. After this, Opera displays an error which you won't see unless you open Opera column \about.
You can either use the command line switch disable update in the shortcut you use to start Opera. Or if you want to stop Opera auto updating no matter how you start it, you can add an environment variable called Opera_auto_update_disabled. Value doesn't matter.
Windows. For the latest Windows version of Opera, updates are configured via the Windows Task Scheduler. Click Start, type Task Scheduler, locate the corresponding item for Opera Auto Updater and configure as needed. You can also use Auto Runs, too, a Microsoft freebie which lets you quickly see all the scheduled items, as well as everything that starts on boot. macOS. To disable updates for macOS, type this in the terminal. To display the current configuration setting, use
Answer for same problem but on a Mac OS X. Tested Yosemite 10.10.5. Pop occurs but without sound or other issue. Go to the OS X notification panel and disable notifications. This can be done by clicking on the black Apple icon in the far top leftmost corner, selecting System Preferences, clicking Notifications, scrolling down on the left side until reaching and selecting the Opera application, unchecking notifications for the application.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.